Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I see Clay's vlog. So, ang gagawin po namin ngayon ay making breakfast. Let's go to kusina. Let's go, Arin. Let's go to kusina. Yan. Hi guys. Yan na siya. Ano kakainin natin?
I
Bigo.
don't know. You told me.
What's that? What's that? I'm gonna put here. Yan. Okay ba? What's that?
This is
Burger. Yan na, let's go. Let's eat. You want to eat? Okay, you don't want.
Okay.
Init.
It's hot.
So hot. Hi guys. Yeah. Plain will eat na. Me,
It's hot.
my, what's this? Coffee.
Iced coffee.
Iced
You
coffee.
have coffee.
It's milk coffee.
Good milk coffee.
Taste it. Just little bit. Huwag ka magaganyan sa video mo. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Yung ina-inarte. Hindi tayo kikita. Kailangan pa-plastikan.
Alin,
It's so yummy, right?
sama niyo na
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah, that's so yummy. What? So yummy, right?
No.
Yeah! Why no?
You said no.
Ay? Nagsasabi ka ng totoo? Hindi pwede ganyan sa sa social media.
Naman na.
Go there. It's hot.
It's hot.
Hot. What do you mean?
Here's to loving.
I will go over there.
Tita Rola calling.
Hello. Hear that? No. Eating.
What is it?
Burger.
Burger.
Ate Clay, hold it. I cannot.
Ay,
Why are you eating the
Alay
big
ko na kiss
one?
na. Look at my baby, oh. Hello! Say hello,
Mom.
Simon.
Aga nyo nagising?
Wow.
Aga din namin natulog.
Ano oras ka na
Ano
doon?
aga nyo sa tulog? Umaga na ha. Ako maaga.
Kaya aga na natulog. 2 a.m.
Ano ba kaya?
Ate Clay.
Umaga na.
7. Ay, let's dance. Aninit. Professor 6, 7. Let's dance that one.
Asan sila Tita Isal niya?
Ate Clay, hold it. Driving lesson. Hey, stop!
What?
Stop dancing!
Mamaya kasama
I
si
told you
Papa mo
don't
eh.
dance.
Saan?
Where's your foot?
Namin. Kasama siya. Pupunta dyan mamaya.
Sige.
Practice. Also there.
Nag-ano kami, nagbablog kami ni Clean yan. Nagbablog kami ni Clean. Ayan o, anong sasabihin mo? Dapat marunong ka magsalita. Anong sasabihin mo kay Tita Rot, kay Mama? Good, hi Tita, you're making vlog.
Yeah, we just episode.
Okay, so you need to wake up me to make your vlogs in the morning.
I didn't know how to do my vlog.
No.
No.
Okay, I will tell it that.
I'm joking. What do you say to my sister?
Oh, wale.
Okay, bye guys. They're annoying.
Ano later?
I'm joking. Sister, guys. King.
Ano, hindi pwedeng ganyan sabihin.
Eat their burger,
Sabihin mo.
Eat your burger.
Eat your burger.
You want also to blood?
We're eating our
You
burgers.
want also to blood?
Guys, this our
Cake,
my
cake?
sisters are.
Ay, ano? Okay, food taste.
Good morning,
No.
Dad.
Food taste, ano? On scale of 1 to 10.
Ganun.
Ano mo? Ilan?
Say like that.
1, 2.
Kulang. It's 10. It's so perfect.
No, I mean 5.
5. Why 5?
Go. Do 5.
Why 5?
Do 5. It's 2. Do 5.
Wow, why 5 nga eh?
5. If
It's not
5.
wrong.
Do 4.
Sure? Dapat kapag nag-food rate ka,
How
No.
about the rain?
Guys, comment down below
How
with
about
power
the
10. Okay? Don't eat it. Don't. See, just eating it a little bit. So many people's in here. I didn't go out.
no, don't go out. Come here lang in the video. Don't go out. Here lang. Yan, we're family. Oh, smile!
family.
Smile!
No.
No, tulak-tulak! 5, 4, 3, smile. Shade 5, 6, smile! Oh, ganito, thumbs up. Kasi magcha-champion na tayo. Thumbs up, Shade. Thumbs up. Nice one. Thumbs up, not slice.
Like that?
Like this, oh. Oh, like this.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Heart, heart. Heart, heart.
Galing na.
Patayin mo na, muna. Later again, guys. Sabihin mo na. Tapos,
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.